AI systems are transforming the enterprise, but they come with a critical flaw: hallucinations. Fabricated facts, invented citations, and false confidence can expose your organization to serious risk. In this presentation, we explore how cutting-edge research from Oxford University is solving AI hallucinations at enterprise scale, without relying on any external data or plugins. Hallucinations in AI models aren't just a technical inconvenience. They represent real business liability. Economically, they can lead to costly decisions based on false information. In global markets, they can damage brand reputation and erode customer trust. And legally, fabricated outputs may expose organizations to regulatory violations and litigation. Understanding these risks is the first step toward building AI systems that enterprises can actually trust. The Oxford Entropy Method is a breakthrough detection system developed by researchers at Oxford University. Rather than checking AI outputs against external databases, it measures something internal: the model's own uncertainty. By analyzing entropy, the natural measure of disorder within a language model's probability distributions, this method can identify when a model is guessing rather than knowing, catching errors before they reach the user. Here's how it works. Every time a language model generates a response, it assigns probabilities to possible next tokens. When the model is confident, those probabilities cluster tightly. When it's uncertain, they spread out. That's high entropy. The Oxford method reads this entropy like a meter. Low entropy means high confidence. High entropy signals potential hallucination. This internal signal requires no external fact-checking and works in real time. The system goes one step further by detecting confabulations, cases where the model generates plausible-sounding but false information. It does this by sampling multiple possible outputs and analyzing their semantic coherence. If the outputs contradict each other or diverge significantly in meaning, the system flags a conflict and marks the response as a likely confabulation. This multi-output analysis dramatically reduces the chance of false confidence slipping through. One of the most powerful advantages of the Oxford approach is its complete independence from external systems. Traditional hallucination mitigation often relies on retrieval-augmented generation, external knowledge bases, or third-party fact-checking APIs. The Oxford method needs none of that. It operates entirely within the model's internal processes, making it faster, more private, and easier to deploy at scale across enterprise environments. The results speak for themselves. During rigorous testing, the Oxford Entropy Method achieved a residual hallucination rate of just 1.2%. That's a dramatic reduction from baseline models, which can hallucinate at rates of 10 to 30% on complex tasks. A 1.2% rate means enterprises can deploy AI with significantly higher confidence, knowing that the vast majority of outputs have been internally validated before reaching end users. How does the Oxford approach compare to alternatives? The French standard relies on external benchmark tools and third-party evaluation datasets to assess model reliability. While useful for academic comparisons, it adds latency and external dependencies. The Oxford method, by contrast, uses internal entropy detection, making real-time decisions without any outside input. For enterprise deployments that require speed, privacy, and scale, the Oxford approach represents the more practical and robust solution.